Welcome to Portfolio Builders Club. Is quantum computing the next boom? Is it early for quantum computing? Is now the time to get into it? As you've heard, Google came out with the new Willow chip, a quantum computing chip that has really great performance, and it's awakened a giant really regarding the quantum computing era and brought more attention to quantum computing. And we're just going to look at some companies here that are on the move as quantum computers sort of gains traction. And these are companies that we need to continue to look at. We'll start with quantum computing, QUBT. As you see, it's around $16, $17 currently, and it's been moving up quite substantially in the last couple of days. It is going up 51% just yesterday, and the day before that, I believe it was up either 50 or 60% that day as well. So it's really on the move. It's been moving in a very positive upward trajectory here. So as we look at, again, no one can tell the price of a stock and tell whether it's going to go up or down on any particular given day or moment or hour or that sort of thing. You simply are looking at the average. So that's what we do know. We know the average of what it's doing, and we use moving averages to help us monitor that. So on average, this has been going up. It looks like since November of this year, maybe mid-October started going up, but it's been going up, and it's staying above the 25-day moving average. So as we get closer, we see that as a discount price and an opportunity to get in as it gets closer to that 25-day moving average. Right now, we've pushed off of that, and we continue to move up. So we'll have to continue to monitor this to see if there will be another pullback or whether it will just continue to go up. So that is QUBT, quantum computing. Next, we'll look at Quantum Defiance Quantum ETF. This also, as we look at our averages, it comes into the 25-day moving average and it has been moving up. It's quite a substantial move to the upside at this particular point. So again, we'll have to monitor this to see where it goes. This could be early for a lot of these. Maybe they're going to go up much higher as we continue to watch them. Maybe they'll 5x, 10x, who knows. But right now, what we're doing is looking at what the average is and what's really going on with it. D-Wave Quantum, QBTS. Qubits, I guess, is what that sounds like. But at any rate, that's the D-Wave Quantum. And that has gone up about 16% yesterday. And as you see, again, we are looking at the average of the price and the movement to the upside. The next one is IONQ. So IONQ, again, looks really good as well. On that 25-day moving average, we'll continue to monitor the progress for that. So these are your quantum computing stocks. Go ahead and put them on your watch list. Go ahead and start talking about them with your financial advisor so you can determine if this is something you want to look further into.